In this video, we will learn how to set up page in Microsoft Word document. Now, click on Take New, select Microsoft Word document. Rename the file as you wish. I rename the file Page Setup. Okay. Open the file. Click on Layout. You will see margin, orientation, size, columns, page breaks, line numbers, and so on. Click on margins. You will see different types of page margins: normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, and so on. If you want to custom your page margin, just click on custom margins. The page margin interface will come and you will see the default setting is 1 inch in top left, bottom right. You can change it as your wish. You also can change the page orientation from here. You can change the page orientation from portrait to landscape. The default setting always will be portrait. We will keep it portrait. Okay. Click OK. Now click orientation. You will see two types of page orientation: portrait and landscape. You also select the page orientation from here and click on size. You can select letter, legal statement, as well as you can find out more paper sizes according to your. Then click on columns. You will find 1, 2, 3, left, right, etc. in columns. Find out the effective setting of columns. We need to write something. Let's write something. Okay, now check out how these columns work. Select all of the written document and click on columns. You can see all of this information has as 1 and you can select it as 2. You will find this. If you select it as 3, you will find 3. Then you will find one of the most important things in page setup, the page breaks. You can click on page. You will find the page, column, text wrapping, next page, continuous, even, odd page. According to your requirement, you can change by clicking on here. I will show how the page break will work. Just click on here. You will find there has another page started from here. There was the first page and the second page. And you can make the page breaks by entering Ctrl plus Enter accordingly. Then you will find the indent and spacing. Left indent, right indent, before spacing and after spacing. You will find an important trick of page setup in here. Just see all of these things remains accordingly. If you select the paragraph and make this, you will see the first line indent will be started. If you click here and turn it right, you will see the page margin will go right and so on. To click on middle and turn, click on middle point and turn it, you will see all of the lines except the first line will go as per the icon. You need to go on and click home, select here, select Times New Roman and select font size 12. Click on here, select automatic color and click on justify alignment. Spacing will be 1.5. This is the basic standard of a Microsoft Word document. click on insert, click on page number, and you will find top of page, bottom of page, page margins, current position, etc. Just hold your mouse on bottom of page and you will find different types of page, the plain number page, and select plain number 3. You will see the page number comes here. Now close header and footer and start to write down your document as your requirement. And if you have to know anything about Microsoft Word, just comment below the video. Thank you.